Today, we're going to practice in this video the sound of wa. Repeat after me. Wa. 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 Wa in win. Again, win. Wood. Again, wood. Wet. Again, wet. Wheel. Again, wheel. West. Again, west. Whale. Again, whale. Walk. Again, walk. Weather. Again, weather. Water. Again, water. What other words of initial sound wa? Wa in 12. Again, 12. Powder. Again, powder. Power. Again, power. Sweat. Again, sweat. Sweep. Again, sweep. Awaken. Again, awaken. Swing. Again, swing. Twin. Again, twin. Lower. Again, lower. What other words have made the sound wa? Now, let's practice phrases with this sound. Ready? Wide awake. Again, wide awake. Wishy-washy. Again, wishy-washy. Walk away. Again, walk away. Weeping willow. Again, weeping willow. Welcome wagon. Again, welcome wagon. Now, let's practice sentences with this word. Ready? They will go on a walk. Again, they will go on a walk. Their wedding was today. Again, their wedding was today. The award was hanging on the wall. Again, the award was hanging on the wall. William walked out wearing his wool pajamas. Again, William walked out wearing his wolf pajamas. The woman did witch me with her gentle smile. Again, the woman did witch me with her gentle smile. Today, we're just practicing this video the sound of wa. Repeat after me. Wa. 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 I hope you enjoy our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.